We just found another elevator in the Pohjola building in Kouvola, Finland.
Yeah.
Today is the 16th of May 2019. Next year it will be inspected in 2020. A 6 persons or 480 kilograms, built in 1977. H32479, 3 floors.
And this staircase.
Fast enough staircase, yeah. They made it this fast. Maybe we can go to peak. Oh no, I don't think we can find that elevator there.
Yeah.
We'll probably find it further on that corridor. But we'll just have to search.
Yeah.
Clearly. Here's an alarm button, or it used to be. Now it's there.
Yeah.
Shall we take another ride?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it's original. Yeah. Elevator number 9.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
It's definitely worth to check this staircase.
Yeah.
This is going to be 45 years old in 2022.
Yeah.
If still not modernized, hopefully. Because it's still working so well. Yeah, this says late 1976, not early 1977.
Yeah.
So maybe we just better build it. Perfect.
That's